Here we have a beautiful Porsche GT3. Just have a look at that. Really nice colour, really does pop. Now, so if you know your Porsches, the GT3 is basically track ready, so beautiful, beautiful car. So what we installed is a Thinkware Dashcam. So we've done the Q1000 Dashcam on this one, which is a 2K camera. If you have a look just up there, and as you can see, the camera is quite discreet. It basically sits on the windscreen, quite flush with the windscreen. It doesn't actually hang down like some dash cams do. And it just records as soon as you turn the ignition on. So it's all hardwired in, and we've hidden all the cables the best we possibly can, so you don't actually see anything trailing along. And like I said, it's hardwired in. So when you turn the ignition on, it'll come on automatically. We turn the ignition off, it then powers down, and that's it. You don't have to, there's no intervention on your part. It'll just start recording all the time. Now with this camera, you could also add parking mode to it. So what that means is that if it detects motion or movement in front of the camera, it would actually start recording, and then it will power down again. So if there's a particular area that you want to, that you park the car and you're not too sure about who's like walking around next to your car, you could actually put that on there, and at least then you get a video image of that particular person that's walking quite close to your vehicle. And it also has impact sensor on it as well. So if you did put parking mode, if there was an impact on the vehicle, it'll start recording pretty much straight away. So hopefully it'll get the imagery of whoever caused the impact on your car. So it's like little added features that this camera has that's actually pretty good. So it's not just a dash cam. It also got GPS, so it gives you a location of where you are. So if you pull the SD card out, put it in the computer, it gives quite a lot of information. Speed gives you that as well. So as a little package, it's pretty much robust and it's all round. So that's the Thinkware Q1000, which is a 2K camera fitted to this beautiful Porsche GT3.